Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. Today I will be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock a Huawei Y9. This is a factory unlock, which means that you will be able to use your phone with any GSM carrier worldwide. Okay, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is find out your phone's IMEI number, and we will do that by clicking on the phone app. And on the dial screen, you have to dial the following: star, pound, 06, pound. A 15-digit number should pop up on your screen. There you go. Make sure you write down this number as you will need it on the following step. Okay? So now we have to go to our computer. We're going to put the phone down for a minute and let's go to our computer. Okay, so now that we are on our computer, you have to log into the unlockpanda.com website. So one important thing to mention is that it's not a completely free process. However, it's a small cost to pay for all the benefits that you will be getting for unlocking your phone. So in here, you will have to provide some information about your phone. The first thing is the original carrier. So on my case, it's a Guatemala Tigo. Then you have to enter the manufacturer. It's a Huawei. And then enter the exact model. So Huawei has a lot of models, so make sure that you select the correct one. Then you have to enter the IMEI number. This was the 15-digit number that we found out on the previous step. Then enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code. Then you have the option to enter a phone number or updates. I'm not gonna do that. And then at the bottom you see the price as well as the delivery estimated delivery time. Okay, so everything looks good. Let's go ahead. On the following page you will see a brief summary, just to make sure that everything is okay. And then at the bottom of the page we will proceed with the payment through PayPal. Okay, so you just have to enter your PayPal account information, and then after you're done with the payment, you should be receiving an email depending on the delivery time, just like this. Okay, in here you will see detailed step-by-step instructions as well as the unlock code. Okay, now we have to go back to our phone. Okay, now I have to go back to my phone. So all we have to do now is first let's turn off the phone. And we have to insert a non-supported SIM. This means that on my case I can insert any SIM except one from Tigo. So we're gonna remove the SIM tray. If it has a SIM, remove it, and then insert the non-supported SIM. I'm gonna insert one from Claro, which is the carrier that I want to use. So let's put it here, and then all we have to do is turn on the phone again. So we'll have to wait a couple of seconds for it to reboot. And after it's done rebooting, it should automatically ask you for the unlock code. This is the code that you received on your email. So let's wait a couple of more seconds. Okay, this is my personal password to get into the phone, and then there you go. It's asking me for the unlock code. So look at your email, look at the unlock code, and let's input the unlock code. Make sure you do it without any mistakes. So let's go ahead. Okay. And after we are done entering the numbers, go ahead and press the unlock key. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's press it, and there you go, a confirmation message saying that the phone is completely factory unlocked. There you go, guys. Now you can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.